Look what I got. I'm finally getting to try the mango with the chamoy and the tahini. I really want to like it. Like, I don't know how to describe it. I want to love this. I know I'm gonna be spilling all over the place with the fork, so I got me some chopsticks. I asked her for extra chamoy because I want to go all in. Ooh, she's juicy. She is juicy. Okay, ready? Oh, she's salty. Is the saltiness from the tahini or the chamoy? I'm guessing the tahini because that's like all the little seasonings. Is chamoy supposed to be sour? I don't know if I like it because I just like mangoes, or if I like the whole ensemble. Ooh. I'm okay. Okay. Let's try another one. Is it what I expected? Not at all. I didn't think it was gonna be salty. I just thought it would be like spiciness on the sweet mango. It's growing on me. Forget the chopsticks. I can tell that the chamoy and the tahini is gonna be so good on other things too. I get it. She looks like a kaktugi. So sweet.
strawberry time. Bon appetit. Oh my goodness. They are humongous, gargantuous. Yesterday I drove home from Escape and then I did homework until literally 9 p.m. And then, what did I do? I went to the gas station. And then this morning I got coffee with my friends. And then got chicken, Mama Hughes. And then dropped them off at the airport. And then I came home and then, no wait, I pumped gas today too. And I'm going to the gym at 9, but I'm eating strawberries. Dude. Like, look at them. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow.
£10 of lychee. 1 pound is $5. I'm gonna turn into a lychee. I've been eating it for 2 days straight.
I want to go back hard.
I'm gonna go back hard. You can open it like that too.
All right, y'all, today I'm trying Mango sticky rice. Got fresh mango slices and 3 different colored rice balls. Came with some milk. I don't know what I'm supposed to put it on. Came with a little bag of cornflakes. Got a fat piece of mango with a green ball. Oh my god. Just an explosion in your mouth. The milk tastes like coconut. The rice just tastes like sugar. Who came up with this? I got everything from Mayvari mango sticky rice. The menu is very simple. Ooh, wouldn't this just be sushi? What are y'all doing back there to make this rice so sticky? They ran me about 320 baht. That's only like $9. Just a very sweet dessert. Got some of the freshest mangoes I've ever had. I like my mangoes wet. Almost like cereal. I rate this a 9.6. Just an amazing idea for dessert. I feel very healthy eating this. I'm probably gonna have a heart attack. I like it. I approve. And
Today for my after school snack, I'm having a peach. And yes, this is a peach, not a nectarine, since everyone wants to tell me that my peaches are nectarines. They're not. Let's see if it's a good one. It's good. This was from our free groceries that we got delivered from Walmart. I love peaches. Peaches, when they're like good and they're ripe and they're not bad and mealy, have to be like one of the top 2 fruits. Honestly, the top 2 fruits are like watermelon and peaches. Cherries are good. Kiwis are good. Good blackberries are good. Pretty much all fruits are good. I don't know what to make for dinner tonight. I have rice and some leftover salmon, but I had that for lunch today and I'm probably gonna have that for lunch tomorrow, so I don't really want to have that tonight. But I'm also pretty low on groceries, like usual, so I don't really know what to make. I don't have any proteins either. Like, I don't have any meat. I have peas, and I have Annie's mac and peas. But I've just been trying to eat a tiny bit healthier. This looks like this one's gonna be mealy. Let's see. No. So I haven't been eating peanut butter and jelly. I know everyone wants that. The mac and peas, I kind of had to slow down a little bit. I was eating it too much. So, comment some dinner ideas, because I don't know what to have.